Coffee filters are an everyday item that can be easily overlooked when prepping for survival situations. But their lightweight design, their durability, and their versatility make them an incredibly useful tool in emergency scenarios. While their primary function is, of course, to brew coffee, unused coffee filters can serve in a variety of different roles when it comes to survival in a wilderness setting or during natural disasters or in urban emergency situations. So, we are going to take a look at some of the survival uses for unused coffee filters that can help you stay prepared for the unexpected. One of the most critical aspects of survival is, of course, access to clean drinking water. Although coffee filters are not a purification system on their own, they can be used as an effective pre filter to remove debris, dirt, and large particles from water before you purify it. By placing a coffee filter over a container and pouring water through it, you can strain out sediment before using other purification methods like boiling, chemical treatment, or a water filtration device. And this super easy step actually prolongs the life of your primary water filter by reducing the amount of debris it has to process. When they are dry, coffee filters are excellent tinder for starting fires. They're lightweight, they're highly flammable, and they can easily catch a spark from a flint or a lighter. For an even better result, you can soak them in petroleum jelly or wax and store them in a small waterproof container. This DIY fire starter can ignite easily and it burns longer, giving you more time to get your fire established. Having a few coffee filters on hand can make the difference between struggling to light a fire in damp conditions or having a reliable source of warmth and for cooking. In a survival situation, having access to first aid is obviously also crucial. Coffee filters can be used as makeshift bandages or dressings for small wounds, blisters, or even cuts. Their soft texture allows them to be applied to the skin without causing irritation, and they're absorbent enough to help control minor bleeding. By securing a coffee filter with a piece of tape or paracord, you can protect a wound from dirt and bacteria until proper medical care can be administered. And while it's not a replacement for a sterile gauze, it can serve as a temporary solution when you're in a pinch. In dusty or smoky environments, like right after a natural disaster like a wildfire or a building collapse, the air can be filled with super harmful particles that can pose a threat to you. By folding a coffee filter and securing it over your nose and your mouth with a bandana, a rubber band, or even shoelaces, you can create a basic air filtration mask to help reduce the inhalation of those dangerous particles. While it's not as effective as an N95, it's probably more effective than those cloth things people were wearing. A coffee filter can act as an emergency barrier to provide some protection in situations where better alternatives aren't available. Coffee filters are actually food grade, making them ideal for wrapping or covering small portions of food to keep it clean and keep bugs away. They can be used to cover open containers, to wrap dry snacks like nuts or grain, or even act as a funnel for pouring food into smaller containers. When you're stuck in the wilderness or in a shelter or SHTF situation, maintaining cleanliness can be a challenge, but it's crucial to avoid illness and infection. Coffee filters can be used as disposable cleaning cloths for wiping down surfaces, cleaning out pots and pans, or even as toilet paper. Their absorbency and their texture make them an actual surprisingly durable tool for basic sanitation. And since they're biodegradable, you can go ahead and bury them to dispose of them. If you're thinking about long term survival or you're thinking about homesteading, coffee filters can serve as seed starting pots for growing plants. The breathable material of coffee filters allows air and moisture to circulate, helping seeds to germinate. You can fill a coffee filter with a small amount of soil, plant your seed, and place the entire filter in a larger container or directly in the ground when the plant is ready to be transplanted. This technique not only saves space, it also reduces the need for purchasing or trying to find pots. In more advanced fire starting methods, char cloth can be a useful tool. Char cloth is made by heating natural fibers in a low oxygen environment, turning them into highly flammable material for catching sparks. Well, coffee filters, being made of paper fiber, are an excellent candidate for this process. By placing them in a small metal tin with a lid and heating them over a fire, you can create char cloth that can be stored for future fire starting efforts. While coffee filters might seem like a simple household item, their versatility makes them a valuable tool in survival situations. By including a few packages of coffee filters in your emergency preparedness stockpile, you're adding a multi purpose item that can make a significant difference when facing SHTF or other survival situations.